Hello students, welcome to our channel Study Fact. Now that your class 12 exams are over, what will be your next course of action? You may be finding yourself at the crossroads with no idea on which way to turn. It's about making, or more appropriately, choosing your future career and life. Choosing the right course and college is the first step in chalking the career plan. There are many degrees like BA, BSc, BBA, BCom, BDes, MA, MSc, MCom, etc. in various subjects. Only you have to choose which degree you want to pursue and in which particular subject. It's crucial since after the choice is made, there will be no turning back. So in this video, I will talk about some of the best colleges providing undergraduate, postgraduate and diploma programs across India with their courses, fees, facilities, scholarships, placements, etc. Also, you will be glad to know that we have published our study app. In the app, you will get college information and career guidance videos, chapter-wise suggestions, subject-wise notes and question answers for classes 8 to 12, and it has a special feature which is Find Local Teacher. You will get the app download link in this video's description. But before we begin, I want to thank all of you for joining into today's video. If you are new to our videos, please subscribe and also hit the bell icon to get more educational and informative videos. So today's discussion will be on Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research in Pune. Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, or SICSR, in Pune was one of the first institutes in Maharashtra to offer high quality computer education. Their vision is to be the leading techno-management institution in the field of information technology. Their mission is to improve the quality of academic programs and create a unique environment conducive for the overall development of students. Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research Pune is also known as SICSR. The institute was established in 1985 in the heart of Pune city. SICSR is one of the institutes in Maharashtra to offer high quality computer education. The institute is ranked among the top 20 B schools of eminence by CSR GHRDC and 56 among the top 100 B schools of India by Outlook Drishti survey. SICSR offers total 5 programs at UG as well as PG, which include BBA, BCA, MBA IT, MSc CA and MSc SS. They aim at building the future leaders for the IT industry worldwide by imparting world-class IT education to them. The fundamental principles which they follow are to use IT in all that we do so that their students are technology savvy and are practicing what they learn, namely the use of IT to solve business problems. Primary vision of the college is to promoting international understanding through quality education. Mission of this college is to inculcate the spirit of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, to contribute towards knowledge generation and dissemination, to promote ethical and value-based learning, to foster the spirit of national development, to inculcate cross-cultural sensitization, to develop global competencies among students, to nurture creativity and encourage entrepreneurship, to enhance employability and contribute to human resource development, to promote health and wellness among students, staff and the community, to instill sensitivity amongst the youth towards the community and environment, to produce thought-provoking leaders for the society. Now the question stands, why you should join only Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, or SICSR? Well, it provides placement with reputed companies. Ranked third as India's best BCA colleges by India Today 2015. It is a constituent of Symbiosis International University. Qualified faculty including PhD holders. Leading edge and innovative IT applications. This college also provides virtual learning environment. Also, this college has strong academic coalitions. Symbiosis Institute of Computer Studies and Research, or SICSR Pune infrastructure and facilities include library, classrooms, computer labs, hostels and placement. So at next we will talk about this college's courses. This college offers BBA in IT, MBA in IT, BCA, MSc in CA and MSc in SS. For BBA in IT, the eligibility criteria is Class 12 or equivalent examination from any recognized board with a minimum aggregate of 50% or equivalent grade. For BCA, the eligibility criteria is Class 12 or diploma in engineering or technology with a minimum aggregate of 50% or equivalent grade. For MBA in IT, MSc in both CA and SS, eligibility criteria is the student must have completed graduation from a recognized university with a minimum aggregate of 50%. So let's talk about the fees of courses. For BBA, total fees is around 5.05 lakhs. For BBA, it is 4.75 lakhs. For MBA in IT, total fees is 8.70 lakhs. For MSc in CA, it is 8 lakhs. And for MSc in SS, total fees is 4.40 lakhs. For admission into SICSR Pune, it is mandatory to appear for the SET exam, the Symbiosis Entrance Test. The institute shortlists the candidates for PIWAT based on their SET score. The list of shortlisted students' PIWAT dates and centers are communicated or updated on the official website of college. Selection is done based on SET test, personal interview or PI, writing ability test or WAT, and academic profile. This college also provides some scholarships. First one is a scholarship for postgraduate or MBA for IIT graduates. For this scholarship, the eligibility criteria is fee waiver will be given to the students, provided the student joins the MBA program after making it in the merit list after clearing the entrance exam, the SNAP and the GEPIWAT process. 5 students will be chosen based on the total composite score, which is the SNAP plus GEPIWAT score. If 2 students have the same score, then the student with the higher SNAP score will qualify for the scholarship. The maximum fee waiver in the first year of the MBA program would amount to 20% of the academic fee alone. It means not including the induction program fee, hostel and mess fee. The amount would proportionally depend on the academic fee charged for the MBA program by the respective institution. For the waiver to continue for the second year of the MBA program, the student should not have any backlogs, both internal or external, and must have at least 7 out of 10 CGPA at the end of the semester 2. The maximum fee waiver for the second year of the MBA program would amount to 20% of the academic fee alone. This time again not including the induction program fee, hostel and mess fee. The second scholarship is Scholarship for Northeast Region. SICSR provide NER scholarships for students from Northeast region. There are total 10 scholarships available for students, out of which 2 will be offered at PG level students and 8 will be offered at UG level. Eligibility is any UG or PG level candidates having 50% in their 10+2 or graduation level, 45% in ST or SC category, and have appeared in SET or SNAP or any other exam conducted by SIU are eligible. Result awaiting students can also apply on provisional basis. This is open for UG students only. The third scholarship is PG merit based scholarships. For MBA in IT and MSc in both CA and SS, only one scholarship per department and percentage of academic fee will be 50%. The campus has a well-established training and placement cell for providing the job opportunity to the eligible students. Campus invites many reputed recruiters every year for the campus recruitment. Top recruiters are Accenture, Avaya, Capgemini, Sybase, Syntel, HP, Kell Consultants, Newgen, Patni Computers, Sigmasoft, TCS, Wipro, Sonata, Suryasoft, Intellimate, Niter Infotech, Atomic Lobes, Hurix, Eyelid Farmers, Thinking Hut, First Cry, QED42, 3i Infotech, Hurix Systems, Blaze Clan Technologies Private Limited, Amdocs and Bajaj F. Friends, you can find the contact number, address, email, website and online admission link of the college in this video's description. So thank you friends to be with us throughout the video. If this video seems to be informative to you, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Also don't forget to click on the bell icon to never miss further updates. Friends, if you want a video on a particular college, feel free to let us know in the comment section. Also, if I missed some points about this college that you know, you can also mention that. So that's all for now. I will be back with another video discussing about another